Welcome MW will killer game trading crypto. Welcome retail fam. We're gonna do live today talking about the markets, talking about crypto, talking about financial markets, talking a little bit about forex, about commodities, talking about where we're heading, some tensions going on. So it's gonna be a great show. So please push the like, repost as much as you can, let the retail fam know that we're starting, and we'll head into one moment. Let the music run. Okay, thank you. What do I got over here, guys? Good morning, retail fanatic, Carlo, Biggie, Diana, Roy Cruz, Zuparkle, Floriano, Top Dog. Let's see, Muhammad Ali. What do I got? Waleed, we got Muhammad, we got KP Johns, Draft, Kirk, Flakes, Paul, Raf, Michelle, Paul, Snowy, El Floriano. What do we got? We got Bash, Mario, Silva, Brain, Paul. What do I got? Travel. Guys, can't you just pick some easy names? Traveler 11. Let's see. We got Abdelila, Saeed, we got Melvin, we got Brolaf, we got Silva, Miros. What do we got? Deron McCoy, Renee, Goedemorgen. We got Natty Crypto. Well, thank you. Missed you all. I also missed you guys. Castler, Castle Gardner. We got Castle Gardner. How you come up with these names? Castle Gardner. Okay, Mark. We got Oas. We got Chick Freak. Welcome, Tony. T-Blue. We got Raul. We got Stanislav. We got BITUNIX. Bob, John, Brian, Thavas, Riff, Pop, Raj, Job. Let's see what we got. We got Bash, we got Freedom, we got Gotham, we got George, Alcopops, Going on low, Vitolo, Bluda. Going on, okay, guys, okay, let's start with the stream. Let's start with the stream because I think you guys are over here to get some market updates about what's going on. And I get you, I understand you, because these are choppy markets, guys. These are just choppy markets. And, you know, I shared a tweet about this. I think it was Sunday, yes, Sunday, when I shared this chart. When I shared this chart, I told you guys, the current markets are not made for hodlers. Hodlers will be, well, if they just remove all the stuff they're watching and just close everything, well, they don't be bothered. But, you know, for the ones that open up their portfolios every day and are hodlers, these guys are really, they're getting tortured by the markets. They're really getting tortured because these markets are made for it. These markets are made for traders. And by traders, I don't mean that you have to trade the 5 minutes or the 10-minute charts, but you have to be just buy, take profits, buy again, take profits, buy again, take profits. And this chart shows you that exactly. Because these moves on Bitcoin up and down, if you're buying altcoins, you're talking about 20, 30, 40, 50% differences. So it's pretty hard. And you can tell me, yeah, well, I just hodl, I don't care, I'll just hodl. Well, that's a choice you make. So I respect that choice. I really respect it. But, you know, for the ones that I think all of you guys that are over here with me, you guys are over here because you're trying to make money every day again and again. And well, it's just what it is. You cannot just hodl, just buy a coin and just hodl it because it will dump 20, 30, 40% in your face in a matter of days. So these markets are not made for hodlers. It's just what it is. And I think also, I tweeted about this. Someone told me, well, I've got a hodl bag and I've been buying, I've been doing whatever. I told them, listen, I'm going to tell you just what it is. I'm just going to be honest with you. At some point, your hodl bags will turn into dust. Because when these guys start taking some profits out of their bags, and this thing crashes down with 20, 30%, your altcoins will turn into dust. It's just what it is. It's just what it is. So, you know, I know that nobody wants to tell you this on CT because they want to make you believers. They want to hold you in crypto because you guys are the ones that are paying their paychecks. So I understand that. But, you know, I just don't give a crap. I will tell you just what I think and you know. Most of the times I'm right, so just be prepared. So if you're holding any bags, especially if you bought like, you know, those Kaspa coins at the top or whatever coins at the top that are hyped and they're getting shilled, just like Sui, for example, at some point you'll find that your hodl bags will turn into dust. It's just what it is. It's not about a tech, guys. It's about money. It doesn't matter if someone is the owner of a project or it is an influencer that is shilling whatever project out there in his long-term portfolio bags. Just trust me on what I'm telling you now. Just please trust me on what I'm telling you now. They don't care about any asset out there. They're just out there to make money. That's it. And yes, they're getting paid to make you believers and bag hodlers. That's just what they do. They're getting paid a lot of money. I'm getting daily offers from so many projects out there to make you guys believers. They offer me, and I'm talking about 5 figures of money, make your community, make them believers. Let them believe that this project is going to the moon, etc., and never sell it because it's going to do 1000x at some point. I'm telling you, it's all about money. They pay me money, and so they can make money. It's just how it works. It's just how the market works. And you guys really need to wake up from that dream because it's just not happening. And yes, for sure, some altcoin could make a 10x, 20x, 100x, 200x. It's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. But at some point, they will dump the crap out of it. So, by the way, guys, what do we got over here? While I'm at this chart, let's talk about the chart that matters most. Listen, guys, this US 500, this blue line, this is, what is this blue line? Is this, no, this is the 7th, no, not 7th. what is it? It's at the 10th. Let me put it on the daily. Yeah, 10 October. I think 10 October is the day, if I'm not wrong, the CPI. So I thought we had a 2.5, so they're expecting, I think, 2.3. So you have to keep in mind that, you know, just like always, these Wall Street bulls will probably start pre-pumping this CPI again. It's just how it works. It's just because these guys, they have no breaks. They have no, you know, I've been eyeing this chart now for the past days. Look what I've been eyeing. Look what I've been, just look at this, guys. Look at this. I've been watching this for the past days. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh my God, I've never seen such a boring chart like this one past days. Every time I was sitting watching it and then I fell asleep. I fell asleep, woke up, fell asleep, woke up. Look at this. What's going on over here? What's going on with Wall Street? Something is going on over here. You know, I haven't seen this for really a long time. Look at this. This is the US 500 the past days. It's just doing nothing. It's doing nothing. Maybe it has got something to do with the tensions going on in the world, and well, it might something happen and then boom up or something boom down. But I understand it plays a big role if the tensions will higher up and if some things will happen. I don't like to talk about a lot of political things on my streams or on Twitter, so I'm no political guy and I've also no knowledge about it. I've got my opinion, but you know, I leave my opinion for myself. But for now, look at this, guys. Just look at this. It's going sideways. Nothing is happening. But you know, normally what we would see is this, that, you know, because this is on Thursday, I think, so we'll probably see something that there, you know, it depends on what's going to happen, the tensions in the world. But if nothing will happen, they're probably going to pre-pump this again. It's just how it always works. And why is this so important? Because if they're gonna pre-pump this, probably this one will also start ramping up. This one will also start, because you have to see it like this for the ones that, you know, guys, you have to have this indicator. It's just that simple. You have to, if you don't have this indicator, it's very hard for you in the markets. Look at this. We touched the 200 EMA over here again, because they asked me, well, MW, listen, where's the support? Well, the support is very simple. Just put in that damn indicator. Put it on your chart. So we dumped over here. Okay, fine. Now we're holding the 200 EMA on the daily. 1, 2, 3. And this is number 4. So now we lost the Indy, so we're bearish again. Well, but that was obvious past days. So now the next level is 62.5. We need to close above it to remain bullish again. But you could have closed your shorts over here. At least when you're shorting, close your damn shorts over here. Take the damn money and you can flip into a long over here and just make some money up again. And then be very careful, because we might get a dump down. Because if we go back to our chart over here, this is where Bitcoin is very weak, by the way, guys. Let's just all agree on the fact that Bitcoin is very, very weak. And I will dive into Bitcoin in a moment. But this is Bitcoin is looking very weak. But let me go a bit further. Look at this, guys. What is this? Are you seeing this, you guys? This is China. This is where the money is flowing now. Look at this. It looks like some meme coin that's being shilled like crazy. Look at this. This is China. These are the stocks of China. They made a 40%. 40%. Are you seeing this? 40% in what was it? In 2 weeks, or not even 2 weeks. Listen, guys, this is massive. This is massive. This is a lot of money getting pumped into the China stocks. 40%. You just have to keep, you know, this is no altcoin. This is no Bitcoin. This is let's just say this is the US 500 of China. Look at this. 40%. 40%, guys. If you traded this, you would have been making so much money, because these are trillions, billions, I don't know, this is so much. Let me show you guys another one. Listen, this is also a chart that I've been telling this for like months now. When the dollar comes into this 0.99, don't think that the dollar will just go down. I know that people tell you this, but listen, every time when the dollar hits these zones, it's the moment to be bullish on the dollar. It's just what it is. And it bounces up every freaking time. Let me go to the VIX. The VIX is also ramping up over here, guys. So it's showing some strength. So it has to do something with the tensions in the world. And maybe the most important chart at this moment to watch is this one. It's the same story, guys. I've been saying this for months from here. The ones that have been following me for a while. In 2023, I told you, black gold, buy black gold in this freaking box. Just buy black gold over here and over here. We made sick gains on black gold, black gold, black gold, black gold, black gold. And over here, yes, it comes over here. This pump has something to do with the tensions in the world. I agree on that one, I know. But it doesn't change the fact that every time when we hit these zones, we'll just pump up. This is also, and guys, you know, I'm gonna do it live here with you guys. I'm gonna put in my alarms. Let me tell you this, guys. If this thing breaks out and will reach high levels over here or here, because it could happen if some strange things will happen into the world. Guys, let me tell you, those inflation numbers will explode again. So that 2.5 that you're seeing, from which I really don't get it, 2.5, because that's what the data shows us. But in reality, guys, let's be honest to each other. We're all seeing all the people suffering, and groceries that are very expensive. Everything is expensive. Everything has doubled. It's, you know, so this 2.5, this, you know, okay, let's just say it, you know, I don't even want to talk about it. It's just these inflation numbers. It's really madness. But either way, this thing, if this thing starts ramping up, inflation will go up again. And what will they do then? What's going to happen then? Oh, let's start raising rates again? I really don't have no clue what these guys are doing. I really have no clue. Now, what about this thing? Look at this thing. It's just going bananas. It's just going bananas. It's, you know, this is also a very important chart that I'm eyeing. This is the euro against the dollar. Look at this, guys. Look, boom, boom, boom. Rejected down. This is what feeds the DXY the most. So keep an eye on this one. I want to show you guys also something else, because, you know, it's really mind blowing. Let me put it on the daily. Look, these are the euro 50 stocks. These are the Euro 50 stocks. So this is, let's just say, this is the US 500 of Europe. Just look at this chart. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Euro stocks. Bitcoin. Euro stocks. Bitcoin. It's really mind-blowing how correlated the euro stocks are with Bitcoin. And I haven't figured out yet why. Why is Bitcoin so correlated to the EU stocks? I really don't know. But okay, enough about this. So this is, guys, today I'm showing you guys a lot about financial markets. And I know it's very important. And you have to connect all those dots together to make a decision on if your crypto bags are safe or not. But, you know, enough about these financial markets. Let's dive into to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin over here, the ETH BTC. The ETH BTC, well, you know, you remember when I told you, you know, maybe even more important, what I told you past week was, listen, guys, the funding rates are too green, in my opinion. I don't know if you guys remember this. I think I said it in the live stream. I also think I said it in the free private group. I don't know if I said it on Twitter. I don't remember. But I told you these funding rates are all green, super green. Altcoins, all super green. And you know, I'm just too old for this crap. I know what happens next, because the moment that those funding rates get too green, what happens is market makers will get paid to dump bags on you, to short bags on you. They get paid for that. They pay them money, so they get double payments. And you know, these greedy market makers, they will take any opportunity they want. So they will boom, boom, boom. And you know, you have seen all what happened. So all those funding rates. So a lot of retailers, you know, that are following all these FOMO guys on Twitter and on YouTube. Buy at the top, buy, just keep buying. And then the market maker and the MW, the MW community, what they do is they go short. And what happens is they get paid 2 times. So we short, we make money on the way down. And on the funding rates, we also get paid by those same longs that are getting wrecked double. I know, if you don't understand these funding rates and how it works, BITUNIX, Blofin, Weex links below, just active trade. And you know, I just don't get it. You know, I get a lot of DMs from people that tell me, oh, I'm used to trading on Bybit and Bybit this, Bybit that. You know, I know Bybit. I've traded a lot on Bybit. I've traded a lot on Binance. I've traded a lot on a lot of exchanges. But if you go trade, especially most of the retailers, because you guys are not trading with millions or billions or whatever. You're just trading on low amounts. It doesn't matter if you're doing it on Bybit or you're doing it on Binance or you're doing it on Weex or you're doing it on BITUNIX. It doesn't matter. I really don't get it. No. You know, I love Bybit. I want Bybit. Okay, well, if you love Bybit, then you go to Gain Trading Crib. They've got a paid program, and you can go just join them. If you want to join me, it's the only way in is these 3 exchanges. Just test them out, put some money on it, and then DM me your UID. You'll be added to the free private group if you will meet the requirements from the volume. Let me see. So this is what. The alarm didn't go off yet, guys. The alarm didn't go off yet. So let me look at this thing. Dominance is just ramping up. Dominance is just ramping up. It doesn't matter. Dominance doesn't care. So, guys, I'm eyeing this 60% because this will be massive. If this thing reaches 60%, this will be massive. So, ETH BTC, where we're heading over here, it's a double. You could see it as a double over here, but you know. I want to see it over here. I want to see this thing come down over here. And yeah, I think that the bounce will come. I think that the bounce will come at some point. We already had a nice bounce, but I think that the bounce will come a bit more. But let's see what's going to happen, because Bitcoin, we've got over here Bitcoin, we've got this daily could get rejected very hard. We already get the first rejection. I don't know if you guys saw this. We traded this, by the way, yesterday. Listen over here, boom, 200 EMA, boom into the indicator, boom down to the 200 EMA again, and boom up, we're going up again. It's really mind blowing how you trade this, because if you would put this line over here and you put this on the 1 hour, it's beautiful how to trade this. Listen, boom long, boom short, boom long, boom short, 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 short. It's mind blowing. But okay, let's see. Let's go to the next one. Pax. What's Paxi doing? Paxi bouncing over here, coming down. So my alarms are set over here. These are very important moments to be long over here. Let me go to the next one. This one, guys, it has got a lot of space to grow over here. I'm just warning you guys. Listen. This thing has got a lot of space to go up here. Let me just tell you, this is, by the way, also, this is a buying opportunity if it will reach these levels, guys. Keep this in mind. No matter what happens in the world, no matter what happens with Bitcoin, no matter what happens with the markets, but this, you have to be patient. But just put your damn alarms over here. If this thing will hit this zone over here, I think a lot of longs will get opened over here. So a lot of people will be wrecked. In the meantime, by the way, we will be opening a lot of longs. So just put that. We didn't even hit the line over here, by the way. So this thing might get back over here. So this is a temporary bounce over here. But the real, let me zoom out a bit. You guys need to see this. Guys, don't underestimate this chart. Don't underestimate this chart, please. We're now ramping up. If it will reach this level over here, this could be a huge buy signal. I'm telling you, this could be a huge buy signal, and it could come together with this one coming down, maybe even making a low, maybe even breaking down over here. But this would be, and also this one making a high over here. So, you know, I'm connecting these dots, and you know, when I see something, I will share it with you guys. Let me see what's going on with the shorts. What are the shorts doing? Shorts are just, what are shorts doing? Shorts are still holding these creeps. Come on, guys, dump it down, dump it down. So these creeps are just holding over here. So let's put some allowances. So the shorts are just holding. Okay, this was the market update for now. So what do we got? For now, I'm eyeing just this one. Let me come back, because you guys always want this one. So normally, what we should see is a ramp up on this thing, because we've got CPI coming up. It's not happening. And listen, guys, this is super boring, a boring chart. It's going sideways. Nothing is going on. Getting rejected from the 200 EMA. Listen, boom, 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 boom. What is this? You know, it's so freaking boring. So they're trying to break the 4-hour indicator over here. If this happens, prepare for your longs. Focus on your longs. If we will not get through this, if we don't close above this 4-hour indicator, guys, we'll probably go to test this one, and this will cause a lot more blood. I'm just saying, it's going to cost a lot more blood. So probably be prepared for Bitcoin to go down and altcoins. But it all depends on what's going to happen over here. So if you bought in the bounce, secure profits as we speak now. So secure profits, because normally we should see a rise up. This is the line, this is the CPI. Normally what we see something like this, and then they start ramping it up into the CPI. But you know, because of what's going on in the world at this moment, I think a lot of tensions are going on. And also a lot of money is flowing into this one. A lot of money, power from the stocks is going into this one. Keep this also in mind, because the US 500 is losing strength because of China. A lot of money from the US 500 is ripping over here. So this is also causing a little bit of weakness. But you know, I never, ever underestimate Wall Street. Because why? Because Wall Street, those are the biggest bulls in the world, and they've been holding very nice over here. So for now, I'm just eyeing as long. The moment they'll break this indicator, okay, then I'll be looking for some nice longs. Okay, it's time for altcoins, guys. So let me go directly, no pause, no music, no nothing. Let's just go directly to Atom. Atom, guys, Atom is strong, guys. Atom, I wanted Atom over here. I want Atom into this box over here. Guys, I'm still bullish on Atom. They've got this verse going on or whatever, this Cosmos verse or whatever. So let me just say, Atom made a nice dump over here. But so if you bought in, well, congrats. But you know, Atom, we still got like, what is it, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Atom could show some nice power, but for now, yeah, it's Bitcoin. And you know, if Atom will get into these regions over here, I'll definitely be opening and a lot of spot backs buying in some Atom, but it has to come over here. So for now, I'm not going to play the hero. If you're trading it on the low time frames, well, good, take profits. Take profits. When you see green, just take profits, because it's going to be choppy, guys. So that's about Atom. Let me go to the next one. Acces also showing a lot of strength, guys. This thing is really powerful. Put on the indicator. Listen, look at this one. This thing is really showing a lot of power. So also Acces, I want it back into these levels over here. Congrats, Acces, you made a nice bump up. Well, congrats. Okay, there we are. Okay, let's come back over here and let's bounce up very strong. So Acces. Let me go to the next one, Neutron. Neutron, same story as Acces, nothing. It's not showing a lot of power, just like Acces, by the way. So I think that if you buy Neutron, do it small, don't go heavy. We've got this STG. Listen, look at STG, guys. I was eyeing it. Listen, what is this? What is this? This looks like a dead project to me. That's what it's showing me. Let's all just be honest. I think that STG is just a dead project because it's just not showing any strength over here. What is this? But, you know, when you think that something is dead, it ramps up very big. So we're in the box, guys. We're almost making new lows over here. So I'm just saying, do some research. What is this Chihuahua crappy? Chihuahua, you see, it's very simple. Atom loses strength, Chihuahua loses strength. It's just how it is. So we're holding the indicator on the daily, very beautiful over here. But in my opinion, you have to trade this on the 4 hour and 1 hour with the indicator, guys. So be very careful, because if I would be very bullish on Chihuahua, I want to see a big dump down, and I want this alarm to go off to come back to the 50, 40, 30 cents. But it has to happen fast. Otherwise, I'm not interested in this whole Ponzi scheme that is going on over here. Let me see what Loom is doing. Oh my God, Loom has been making a really nice rejection. Loom is looking good. Loom is looking good. So Loom, we didn't reach this. My alarm didn't go off. But Loom, if Loom comes back over here, Loom might gain some momentum. Alright. Also showing a lot of strength. We came back into the box, even went below it. So for now, what am I eyeing? You know, it's very hard at this moment to trade it because I have to see what the markets will do. But ORI is also one that I'm eyeing very strong. So my alarm is set. So ORI around $5, $6. That's when I'll be buying some. Alright, so for now, this SNS coin. SNS, guys, keep an eye on this SNS. I'm just saying, if it comes back to the Indie over here, this SNS, this breakout, you might see something going on like up, come back, bum, 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 and then go up. Keep an eye on this SNS coin, guys. It's a very important coin. Let me go to some other coins. What do I got over here? Yeah, let me go to SUI. You guys have been seeing me sharing a lot about SUI. Guys, you know, when I say something, there's a reason behind it. I never just say something because I feel like it or because, you know, I'm just whatever. When I share something, know that I did my research, know that I've got a big reason why I'm saying what I'm saying. You know, this was shared in the free private group, by the way. This was shared in. So if you see a P&L like 500%, and you know that P&L wasn't even with the best entry, because the entry was average on 196, and we reached the $2. Guys, this was shared like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 days ago. So the retail fam, they were prepared for this. They were waiting. So what happens is these guys that have the patience, they were waiting. Boom, over here they get filled. And that's how you make 500%. If you do it on a 20x, 25x, 30x, boom. This is how you make a lot of money. Because these dumps, when they happen, you know, there are even people, they don't even believe in these dumps. Now you're seeing it ramping up. Oh my God. Or probably SUI will get shorted again and again. And those P&Ls will be shared again and again. You know why? Because I know what I'm doing. So this forced bumps that you're seeing from SUI, guys, just keep in mind that SUI, I'm gonna say it again. This is the last time, by the way, that I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it now, and then we're gonna end this story of SUI. The only thing that I'll be sharing is the P&Ls. You're gonna see the P&Ls. You're gonna see them. Guys, this is a $4.8 billion, $4.8 billion. What did we just discuss today? That it's not about the tech, it's about the money. So don't, SUI is this, SUI is that, SUI is the new Solana, whatever. If you want to believe, just keep believing. But it's about the money. We agreed on that one. This thing has got a $17 billion fully diluted market cap. Guys, this is almost a 4x, almost a 4x. Do you understand how much sellers are out there? So this shilling machine is shilling the crap out of SUI to the moon, SUI this. no problem. But you have to know how to leverage trade. Don't just go because I said this, so is bearish, just go short it. It doesn't work like that because they will wreck you. They will wreck you. But if you know how to leverage trade, every freaking bounce SUI makes, you short the crap out of it. Every freaking bounce it makes. But you have to know how to do it. And if you don't know how to do it, you have to be educated first. And to be educated, you have to join my free private group, the trading course Weex. You have to follow me over there. I will help you. I will show you where SUI's resistance is, where a possible short is. I will show you how to trade the indicator, etc., etc. If you want to learn this, links are below. BITUNIX, Blofin, Weex, links are below. Just active trade. If you're active trading any... There was one guy, he DM'd me. He told me, MW, listen, I'm in a paid group. And it's a shitty group. And it's a very famous group. He was paying, I don't know, he was paying something like, what was it? $160 or I don't know what it was he was paying in a month. He told me, bro, I'm losing so much money in that group. And this guy, when you see him on Twitter, he does like he is some kind of god. And this guy is so crappy. And there are like 20, 30 altcoins that we bought on his advice. And those are like 70, 80, 90% down. And they're paying this guy. I told him, bro, are you trading? Where are you trading? He told me I'm trading on Blofin. I told him, well, why don't you join me? It's free. You don't have to pay that crappy 100. Yeah, but I didn't use your referral. It's no problem. Just DM me your UID. I can flip you to the GTC community and you'll get educated the right way. I can flip you and come over. He told me, really? So I don't have to pay nothing? No, you don't have to pay nothing. Well, he DM'd me his UID, I flipped him, and now he's a member of the free private, and he has been watching the trading course Weex, and he told me, MW, you really have no clue. You really have no clue what you're doing. You know, you changed my life in an instant. I'm seeing crypto a whole other way now. He told me I was in this is, by the way, the biggest paid group on CT that I'm talking about. I'm not going to call names because I don't want to, I'm done with all these influencers and all their crappy shit. So I'm not going to call. He told me it's really mind-blowing. What the freak are these guys doing? What are all those retailers doing in all those groups? I really have no clue. I told them, well, whatever. So for now, I want to show you guys another one because this is one that's very famous in the retail fam. They like this coin, this Popcat crap. Guys, Popcat, let me tell you, listen, I shared this chart. This chart is just, we dumped down, made a lot of money again over here, again and again and again and again. So we hit over here the support zone, a very strong bounce. I'm really impressed. But you know how I see it? Let me tell you how I see this. How am I seeing this? This is payday. I see that a lot of money is going to flow into my charity fund. I just know it because I know that the team will short the crap out of this again. So it's like Tom and Jerry. It's like those shilling machine. Every time they start pushing it up, no problem. Keep pushing, keep pushing. You even can long it. Just use the indicator and long. I know that a lot of you guys long this, and congrats. Just do so, but just be careful because when the team starts opening their shorts on this dancing cat again, you don't want to be in any long because they will destroy you. They have been destroying you for a whole year. So you'll get destroyed. So listen, guys, if this cat wants to ramp up again from everything from 11 cents to 13, 14, 50 over here, 115, 111. Be very careful if it reaches over here because the team will destroy you. I guarantee this because they haven't been wrong all year, so be very careful if it reaches over here, this zone over here. Be very careful, guys. I warned you. I warned you. And maybe some big whale can ramp this up even higher. They don't care. They will chase trade this. They will chase trade it, and they will make money anyway. They will make money anyway. They will make that money anyway. So that's about this Popcat. Keep an eye on Popcat. So be very careful. If you're longing this, take profits at 110, between 110 and 115. Take profits, guys. Take profits. Take profits. Just get out. You've got the in. And by the way, guys, you don't even have to do TA. you can just put it on the 15 minutes and you're just riding this thing up. So it goes above it, just go, 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 go. If it closes below it, just go down. And probably like over here, sometimes you'll get your stop loss, but it doesn't matter. This is just change money. Like we say in Dutch, we say wisselgeld. This is just change money. Okay, you're up, you make like 100 bucks. When you lose, you get stopped out, you lose 50 bucks. You make 100 bucks, 50 bucks. Over here, you make 200, 300, 400, 500 bucks. But when you catch it on the way down, you're gonna make maybe 2,000, 3,000 bucks. I'm just saying, it's that simple. The whole game is played for this. So this is just how it works in crypto, guys. This is just how it works. It's just let's see. What I wanted to show. Oh yeah, by the way, I wanted to show you guys this one. Guys, you have to keep in mind. Keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. This Solana. You all of you know how I feel about Solana. Everyone knows how I feel about Solana. I think whole CT knows how I feel about Solana. And this is what I shared. Shillers are under attack. And it's because one guy, I think on the Singapore event, he told them, listen, this Solana crap that you're talking about, it's not so great as all you shillers are saying. So they're under attack. And let me tell you, this Solana is, it's the #1 shield owned coin in whole crypto. So they're under attack now, and let me just tell you, if this thing dumps down, I'll be right again. I'll be right again. I'm just saying. So if you're holding a lot of Solana, be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. So let me go to my list because I want to talk about some volume coins, and then we're gonna close it down. So what I was eyeing this big dump on this VIDT. I think this is a Dutch company. I think this is a Dutch company. I think this is a Dutch crypto project. I think, if I'm not wrong. But this was a nasty dump. I don't know what happened, and I don't know who dumped this, but this was a nasty dump, and I don't know if it's gonna bounce up. Just keep an eye on it. Maybe you can trade it, put it on the indie. Just keep an eye. Also, a lot of volume, but that volume was created by this big dump down. I don't know what's going on with this VIDT. Another one that is showing some power is Mask, guys. This is a payment coin. Also, a lot of volume hitting in over here, and I don't know what's going on. But this Mask, I'm bullish on Mask on the long term. But Mask, just keep in mind, this is the resistance 266. So then you got this coin. Also, a lot of volume going on. What is this? Civic. I really have no clue. This is, by the way, guys, this is 147 market cap, fully diluted, looking good. Tokenomics look good, looking solid. I'm just saying, keep an eye on Civic. I don't know what's going on. Civic wants to pump. I don't know. But Civic is showing a lot of volume, and money is flowing over here on the Civic coin. I don't know, CVC ticker. I don't know. Civic. Keep an eye on Civic, guys. Just look at Civic. Vanry. Guys, we almost hit the box over here. But this Vanry dump is... Why is Vanry dumping so hard? This is a great project. I don't know what's going on. Why do they want to rump it up? Because most of the times, guys, keep in mind that when you see big dumps on solid altcoins, and you see a big dump, you have to be careful because maybe they want to dump it so they can pump it after. It happens a lot of times. You see a big dump and then boom, it goes up like, and they think, oh, crappy, I should have bought in. But it almost hit the box. But let me just be clear. Everything in the box, I'll be buying some Vanry. Let's all be very clear about that one. Then for the lovers, this Tau to the moon, Tau to 2K, Tau to 10K. I thought something, maybe Musk was tweeting about it. I don't know whatever. I'm not interested in Tau. And the ones that follow the FOMO, well, I hope that you're all right because they just dumped like 20-30% on you. So Tau, let me do, what was it? What was one more that I wanted to do with you, for you guys? Yes, FTT, guys. FTT, well, they're saying, okay, FTT is coming back, FTT this, FTT that, whatever. Well, let me just say this, guys. Let me be very honest. Over here, between over here and here, There's nothing. I'm just saying. So between the $6 and the $20, there's nothing, guys. There's nothing in FTT. And you know, everyone can have an opinion about FTT and they're rugged and this and that, whatever. We're not here to have opinions about projects. We're here to make money. And if the charts will show us that we can make money in FTT, we're going to make money in FTT. That's what we do. So we put it on the 1 hour and just look at this. Look at this, guys, how beautifully. Look at this. We had this ramp up. Boom. Hold, hold, hold. Over here. We touched it beautifully over here. Because keep in mind, guys, if you're trading, this is a 45% bump. Just on a spot back. In a matter of, what is this? In a matter of hours. What is this? Guys, keep this in mind. This, when you're trading, just follow the money, follow the volume, because there's a lot of volume on this FTT token. So, boom, 45%. If you put it on a 30x, you would be 1,200%. It's a lot of money, guys. So don't care about the narrative, don't care about history, just follow the money. A lot of volume is hitting in over here. So this is what I want to see. I want to see you guys share me a DM. Listen, MW, we just used your indicator and we were eyeing this coin. There was a lot of volume and we bought in over here and I just made 20K on this long. That's how you can make me happy. That's how you can make me happy. That's when I'll be having a big smile on my face. So keep an eye on this one also. Guys, I love you all. Thanks all for joining in. If you want this indicator, BITUNIX is your fastest way in. It's the fastest way in. At this moment, 7 days left, and then we're gonna close it down. And then the indicator, you need some volume. For now, you don't need. You only need to deposit $500, make like 2-3 trades or whatever, and just DM me, and you'll get the indicator. Already, a lot of people have gotten the indicator, and I'm also getting a lot of nice feedback from users from BITUNIX. They just went in to get the indicator. They didn't care about BITUNIX, and then they're trading over there. And, oh, wait a minute. This is a very nice exchange to trade on. A lot of liquidity. Their app is superb. Everything is superb. So for the ones that also cannot upload their app because they're doing some updates on their Google store or the Android or whatever. So if you just go to the website, you can download their app from their APK, I think, on their website. So I'm gonna do a tutorial anyway about BITUNIX. So guys, if you want to join us, Blofin, Weex, and if you're already owning an account of Blofin or BITUNIX, just DM me your UID and I will flip you to GTC and you can get access to all those services. I love you all. I hope that you guys learned something today and are prepared for what's about going to happen. So really the game changer today is oil and the US 500, because it's going sideways, and you know, for now we're still under resistance, so we have to remain bearish. But if we're gonna break up and Wall Street start pre-pumping the CPI, well, you know, a lot of money is going to be made on longs. I love you all. Have a nice one. Enjoy your day, and I really appreciate you guys being here, and maybe until tomorrow. Bye-bye.